This is a Forster V599 VB5 flip camper van. Forster opened a new factory. Opened a factory, of course, it's new as a factory. It wouldn't have been a second-hand factory. And in Italy, I think it's 2022, it was a rather unfortunate time to open because of the crash in demand for motorhomes and camper vans. Anyway, this thing here is only 6 meters long. It looks longer actually. 205, 280 in height, just over 62,000 euros in cost. What's unusual about this is this. Look how big this living area is. Now you might have seen this layout before in Chausson, Challenger, Forster, Roller Team, Benimar. It's all the same company, Trigano. And so what they effectively have done, they just go around copying each other. So it's the same as in Chausson, but it's in different colours. So it's just really a question of which colours you prefer. Why do they have several brands producing the same thing? I think, in my opinion, this is due to the way they treat their dealers. Anyway, here's something odd, because they've got this tent in the roof, but it's got separate mattresses. I can't recall having seen that before, something like that. I'm not saying I haven't never seen it before, I'm saying I can't recall it having happened before. Alright, anyway, you've got storage up there, 2 burners, you've got a sink, you've got drawers down there, you've got a fridge over here with a freezer. That was nice. Breeze. Got a, whoops, I'm closer probably, sorry. Got a wardrobe. We've got the this unusual layout, which is for the shower. Bit odd, isn't it, that? Don't see many of them. And there's also there's the ladder. And if I come in here, we will find we have got there's the toilet. We can also close this off, and that from the double bunks here. So we've got not exactly a dressing room, but it's getting on that way. We've got a mirror there as well. Sink in the toilet. So if somebody's in here in the shower and you want to get out of the bed, well, you have to go via the back door. So that's the only way of doing it. Does this work? I hope I'm not locked myself in. You can make a bed out of this as well. So it's a sleeps for. You have to put that table down. The table is a very good one, made by Italian company Mappa. Very, very nice table. Let's have a look around the back, see what's going on around there. Might be a bit easier for me, because sort of when you get to my age, you're not up to sort of diving over things and all the rest of it. There you got 2 singles there. You've got a net below to stop things moving around the vehicle that you're storing in the back. These beds will come out if you want to. There you go, see they come out. And this one also will come out. You see that? Good. It's even got, oh dear, somebody's made this dirty the bed. See, these things here are to hold the bed up against there. Sorry, there's a buckle. Windows and the doors. No, well, of course that wasn't going to be insulated. So there you go. Simple 4-person. No, it's not 4, but it's a 6-person camper van. You've got 2 in the tent in the roof. 6 people in a 6-meter camper van. I think that's ridiculous. You're going to be arguing non-stop. Anyway, be that as it may, my job is to show you it, not to work as a marriage guidance counsellor. So thanks so much for watching. Upload every day at 21:15 my time. I'm based in Poland and in Germany, and you'll find here the large collection of motorhomes and camper vans on the internet. No, on YouTube anyway. So you might want to subscribe, and for the moment, bye for now.